Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp message not delivering. First, check your internet connection. WhatsApp needs a stable connection and send and receive message. For that, swipe down from the top right corner of your phone. It will open the control center. From here, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. If you see one gray check mark, it means the message was not delivered but sent. This could mean the other person's phone is off, they may have no internet, or they may have blocked you. You can also close the app completely from the recent screen and reopen the WhatsApp again and try sending the message. Sometimes small system issue can stop messaging from sending. A quick restart can fix this problem. For that, restart your phone. You can also go to the App Store. In the search bar, type WhatsApp. If any update is available, tap update. An outdated app can cause this type of error. If problem continue, uninstall the app from your phone and re-download and install it from the App Store again. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.